How to clear cache and cookies on iPhone, a quick 60-second step-by-step guide. Step 1. Open the Settings app from your home screen or app library. Scroll down the list and tap Safari to open Safari's settings. Step 2. Tap Clear History and Website Data near the bottom. A confirmation pop-up appears. Tap Clear History and Data to remove everything. This clears browsing history, cookies, and cached files stored by Safari. If you use Chrome or Firefox, open their app settings and clear browsing data there as well. To free more storage, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage and review Safari usage. Tip: make sure passwords and form data are backed up to iCloud Keychain or a manager before you clear. Quick recap: Settings, Safari, Clear History and Website Data, then confirm to finish. Subtitles are enabled for accessibility and captions appear on screen as you watch each step. Soft outro: subscribe for simple, modern iPhone tips and stay up to date.